Morning, everyone. Welcome to a special Saturday outdoor edition of Cooking with Shrimp. Today we're going to do something a little different. This will be our first attempt at cooking a smoked brisket using our smoker, which we've had in storage for 2 years because we've had to move and didn't have room to put it anywhere. But now we're excited. As you can see, my partner in crime is putting the briquettes because now it's time to do it. We have some cherry tree wood chips.
Later.
Oh, hold on. So we're just lighting the charcoal now, which you all know takes quite a while to prepare. We've got some cherry tree wood chips, which have been soaking. Careful. Safety first. We're going to have a fire extinguisher beside us at all times, and we're using the 3-2-1 rule, where, ooh, look at that, where apparently you cook it fat side down for 3 hours, and then wrap it in foil, cook it for 2 hours, and then leave it uncooked for 1 hour, and then let it rest. So we'll be back in a minute once this is ready to go.